Good morning parents, good morning teachers, good morning students. I am Miss Nessa, your TLE teacher. Tara, let's explore vocational and lifelong lessons in this episode.
The most essential learning competencies or MELC in this lesson is to obtain measurements. And the objectives are: identify the parts of the body to be measured, record own measurement, and value the importance of getting the body measurement.
Our lesson for today, obtain measurements. We were going to identify the parts of the body that we need to be measured. The parts of the body to be measured can be taken in horizontal measurement, vertical measurement, and circumferential measurement. In horizontal measurement, the measurement was taken from left to the right, while vertical measurement was from the top to the base, and circumferential measurement was taken around the body. And remember, we use tape measure for taking body measurement. Let us proceed first in women's apparel. For horizontal measurement, we have shoulder to shoulder, wherein measure across the back of neck from socket of one shoulder to the socket of other shoulder. Next, shoulder to neck. Measure from base of neck along top of shoulder to the shoulder socket. And lastly, across back. Measure from armhole across back to armhole. For vertical measurement in women's apparel, first we have shoulder to bust, wherein measure from tip of shoulder to the center of bust or in the nipple. Next, front shoulder to waist, wherein measure from tip of shoulder over bust to natural waistline. Next, side seam, wherein measure from under armpit to natural waistline. For circumferential measurement in women's apparel, first was the bust. The tape measure must run directly over your nipple and across your shoulder blades on your back. Next is the waist, wherein measure around the waist at the narrowest natural waistline point, allowing 2 fingers between your waist and tape measure. Next, hips. Measure around the fullest part of your hips. As a guide, this is often 20 cm below your natural waistline. Next is leg bone. Measure around the shoulder under the armpit. Let us proceed now to men's apparel. For vertical measurement, first is shirt length, taken from the nape down the center back to the desired length. Next is sleeve length, taken from the shoulder tip down to the desired sleeve length. Next, length of pants or shorts. Measure along the side below the waistband to the desired length of pants. For horizontal measurement, we have shoulder, taken from one shoulder to the other. Lastly, for circumferential measurement, first is the bust or breast. Like in women's apparel, taken around the body with a tape measure, passing over the fullest part of the shoulder blade at the back and over to the apex. Next, upper arm girth, taken around the fullest part of the arm in line with the armpit. Next, neck measure, taken around the neckline. And next, waist, taken around the smallest part of the waistline. Insert 2 fingers under the tape measure for ease or allowance. And last, desired bottom or hem circumference or leg hole, taken around the fullest part of the bottom.
Now class, let us proceed to the units of measurement that can be used to get body measured. But before that, let us identify the 2 systems of measurement.
Una ay English system ng yard, and mile. At ang ikalawa naman ay ang metric system or System International. It is an international standard for measurement. And the basic unit of metric system is meter.
The units of measurement commonly used in English system are inches, feet, and yard, while in metric system are millimeters, centimeters, and meters. We can convert metric unit of measure to English unit of measure or vice versa. Here is the conversion guide. Let us have some example. Number 1. How many inches are there in 500 centimeter? Or 500 centimeter is equal to blank inches. From our conversion guide, from centimeter to inch, we need to multiply by 0.393701. And the answer is 196.85. Therefore, 196.85 inches are there in 500 centimeter. Number 2. How many foot or feet are there in 40 centimeter? Or 40 centimeter is equal to blank feet. From our conversion guide, from centimeter to feet, we need to multiply to 0.0328084. And the answer is 1.31 feet. Therefore, 1.31 feet are there in 40 centimeter. Number 3. How many yards are there in 15 inches? Or 15 inches is equal to blank yard. From our conversion guide, from inches to yard, we need to multiply to 0.0277778. And the answer is 0.42 yard. Therefore, 0.42 yard are there in 15 inches. And now, try to answer our activity. For A, identify whether the following are vertical measurements, horizontal measurements, or circumferential measurement. Number 1, upper bust. What is your answer? Very good. The correct answer is circumferential measurement. You got it right. Number 2, side seam. What is your answer? Very good. That is vertical measurement. Number 3, shoulder to neck. What is your answer? Very good. That is horizontal measurement. You got it right. And for letter B, convert the following. Number 4. How many meters in 120 centimeters? What is your answer? Very good. That is 1.2 meters. 5. How many inches in 500 centimeters? What is your answer? Exactly. That is 196.85 inches.
And that is our lesson for today's episode. I hope you learned a lot. Always remember, at ELE, we keep on going beyond the traditional. Bye-bye!